Let's get one thing clear. In professional communication, every detail speaks volumes. And when you're a leader, an executive, or a rising professional, even your grammar becomes part of your brand. That's why today we focus on something deceptively simple: plural nouns. You might say, I already know that. And yes, most people do, superficially. But here's the truth: every word we use shapes how clearly we express our thoughts. Understanding the number of nouns, whether they are singular or plural, helps us speak and write with precision, grace, and confidence. When we get this right, our sentences sound natural, our meaning becomes clear, and our ideas connect smoothly with others. Mastering singular and plural forms isn't just about grammar, it's about building bridges through language. So, let's begin. Rule 1. Most nouns form the plural by adding s to the singular. This is the most common way to make nouns plural. Examples are book, books; apple, apples; car, cars; girl, girls; dog, dogs; 6, laptop, laptops; 7, pen, pens; 8, school, schools; 9, bottle, bottles; 10, friend, friends. Rule 2. Add es to nouns ending in s, double s, sh, ch, x, or z. Examples are bus, buses; kiss, kisses; dish, dishes; church, churches; box, boxes; fox, foxes; glass, glasses; quiz, quizzes; brush, brushes; match, matches. Rule 3. Change y to I and add es if a consonant comes before y. Examples: 1. Baby, babies; 2. City, cities; 3. Party, parties; 4. Puppy, puppies; 5. Lady, ladies; family, families; country, countries; story, stories; hobby, hobbies; berry, berries. But if there's a vowel before y, just add s. Examples: boy, boys; key, keys; toy, toys; day, days; monkey, monkeys. 6. Alley, alleys; 7. Journey, journeys; 8. Valley, valleys; 9. Guy, guys; 10. Attorney, attorneys. Rule 4. Some nouns ending in o and preceded by a consonant take the ending es. Hero, heroes; potato, potatoes; tomato, tomatoes; torpedo, torpedoes; echo, echoes. Many take regular s: photo, photos; piano, pianos; solo, solos; alto, altos; cello, cello, or celli. Some nouns are pluralized either way. Examples are volcano, volcanoes, or volcanoes; mango, mangoes, or mangoes; and mosquito, mosquitoes, or mosquitoes. Rule 5. For nouns ending in f or fe, change to ves. Again, usually nouns ending in f or fe are pluralized by changing the f or fe into v and adding es. Examples: change to ves: 1. Leaf, leaves; 2. Knife, knives; 3. Wife, wives; 4. Wolf, wolves; life, lives; leaf, leaves; shelf, shelves; calf, calves; loaf, loaves; thief, thieves. Some may be pluralized either way. For example is calf, calves, or calves, and scarf, scarves, or scarves. There is always an exception to the rule though. Here are some nouns that end in f and end their plural form by adding s only. Here are lists of nouns ending in f that just add s: roof, roofs; belief, beliefs; chief, chiefs; cliff, cliffs; safe, safes; motif, motifs. Rule 6. Some nouns are irregular. Some add en to form the plural, and some change the mid-vowel. Examples: man, men, woman; women, child; children, foot; feet, tooth; teeth, mouse; mice, goose; geese, louse; lice, person; people, ox, oxen. Rule 7. Here are the nouns that have the same singular and plural form. Examples: sheep, sheep, deer; deer, series; series, species; species, fish; fish can also be fishes in scientific contexts; aircraft, aircraft; salmon, salmon; trout, trout; moose, moose; bison, bison. Rule 8. Some nouns are always plural in form and meaning. Examples: 1. Scissors; 2. Trousers; 3. Jeans; 4. Pants; 5. Glasses; 6. Binoculars, pliers, tongs; goggles; pajamas; shorts, shoes. Take note. Use a pair of for singular reference. A pair of scissors is on the table. Rule 9. There are nouns that are always singular although they end in s. Again, these are the nouns that end in S but are singular in meaning. Of course, they take singular verbs. Examples: 1. News. 2. Mathematics. 3. Physics. 4. Linguistics. 5. Politics. 6. Economics. 7. Ethics. 8. Measles. 9. Mumps. 10. Diabetes. 11. Statistics, when referring to the field. 12. Gymnastics. Correct usage: the news is interesting. Mathematics is my favorite subject. Rule 10. Some nouns are always singular in form and meaning. Baggage news, jewelry, advice, information, knowledge, furniture, luggage, baggage equipment, homework work, when referring to tasks at jobs, research evidence, progress, news permission scenery, traffic, bread poetry, machinery music. Rule 11. Compound nouns form their plurals in 4 different ways. First, add S to the endings of unhyphenated words. For example, catnap, catnaps, tea house, tea houses. Second, add S or ES to the hyphenated words without a noun word in it. Examples are breakup, breakups, smash up, smash ups. Third, add S or ES to the noun being modified in compound nouns spelled as 2 or more words. Examples: 1. Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. 2. Passerby, passers-by. 3. Sister-in-law, sisters-in-law. 4. Editor-in-chief, editors-in-chief. 5. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. 6. Commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. 7. Attorney-at-law, attorneys-at-law. 8. Runner-up, runners-up. 9. Man of war, men of war. 10. Brother-in-arms, brothers-in-arms. Rule 12. Collective nouns are either singular or plural depending on usage. Examples: 1. The team is winning. 2. The team are wearing different uniforms. 3. The committee has made a decision. 4. The committee are divided on the issue. 5. The family lives nearby. 6. The family are traveling separately. 7. The jury has reached a verdict. 8. The jury are still debating. 9. The staff is very efficient. 10. The staff are complaining about the schedule. Rule 13. Nouns of foreign origin like Latin or Greek retain their foreign plural. As to I, cactus, cacti, fungus, fungi, alumnus, alumna, alumni, radius, radii. Informal English may use foci, funguses, campuses, and others. S to S, analysis, analyses, crisis, crises, thesis, theses, diagnosis, diagnoses. To datum, data, bacterium, bacteria, curriculum, curricula, memorandum, memoranda. On to a phenomenon, phenomena, criterion, criteria, EX, IX, to ICES, also sometimes XEs, index, indices or indexes, appendix, appendices or appendixes, matrix, matrices, vortex, vortices or vortexes. Rule 14. Proper nouns form their plural in the same manner as common nouns do. Add S or ES. Mrs. Cruz, Mrs. Cruz's, Julie, Julie's. Rule 15. Numbers and letters form their plurals by adding S after them. It's ours. However, in abbreviations with periods, lowercase letters used as nouns, and capital letters that would cause confusion if S alone is added, form the plural by adding apostrophe and S. MAs, As, Ms, SOSs. To conclude, mastering the rules of singular and plural nouns is more than just a grammar lesson. It's a gateway to clear thinking, confident speaking, and powerful leadership. A Grammarly study found that professionals who make fewer grammar mistakes are 13% more likely to be promoted. Meanwhile, research from MIT shows that clear communication can boost team efficiency by 25%, a game changer in any business or organization. The renowned linguist Noam Chomsky teaches us that grammar isn't just about language, it's about thought. Structured grammar builds structured thinking. Neuroscience agrees. Using precise language activates the prefrontal cortex, the brain's center for judgment, logic, and executive function. Long before modern research, Aristotle emphasized that clarity in language, what he called lexis, is the very foundation of persuasion. And as Warren Buffett succinctly put it, in business, bad grammar equals bad decisions. So when you sharpen your understanding of something as basic as noun number, you're doing much more than memorizing rules. You're refining how you think, strengthening how you lead, and building the kind of credibility that earns trust and commands respect. Because in the world of communication, excellence starts with the details, and those details begin with grammar. Mastering plural and singular nouns may seem small, but it's a powerful step toward thinking clearly, speaking confidently, and leading with lasting impact. So take the time, refine the skill, and let your words truly connect and inspire.